Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to show you how to view all shared media in a chat on WhatsApp Web using the latest update. Whether you're looking for photos, videos, or other files, this step-by-step process will make it easy to find everything in one place. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp Web website and scanning the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats displayed on the screen. Next, locate the chat where you want to view the shared media. Scroll through your list of conversations and click on the one you're interested in. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or even a group conversation. Once the chat is open, look at the top of the screen and click on the name of the contact or group. This will open a panel with detailed information about that chat, including options for managing notifications and viewing shared content. Now, in the Contact or Group Info panel, you'll see an option labeled Media, Links, and Docs. Click on this option to access all the shared files within that chat. This section is organized into categories to make it easy for you to find what you're looking for. Finally, select Media from the available tabs. This will display all the photos and videos shared in that specific chat. You can scroll through them and even download any file you need directly to your computer. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly view all shared media in any WhatsApp web chat on your PC. Thank you for tuning in. Happy browsing.